Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. If we click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Strava app and we click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you